So here's my current shift knob. I got it for Christmas. This is really nice, but this shakes. So the Tacoma comes with the regular shift knob where it has this clip on the bottom, but the custom shift knobs, none of them have that clip. So that's why I'm currently working on making a little piece that goes over here. That way I'm gonna try to make it so it goes over this so it doesn't rattle while I shift, and maybe it'll come out pretty nice. Check out my new addition to the lathe. Oh yeah. So this will hold drill bits, and then I can drill directly into this. So, oh, that's good. That's wicked exciting. So watching this, you're probably thinking, wow, he's doing it all again. Well, when I hand sawed it, I guess I did it a little crooked, so that was making the whole thing not perfect. So yeah, I had to redo this part, then this part, so I can put it on straight, and then now I will try to drill this part in properly. voila, I have a pawn shift knob now. Like from chess, a pawn. So I'm gonna have to put some wood finish on it and go from there. Okay, so I just showed you how I did this, but I never pressed record. So when taking a video, remember, press record. And I just did a whole speech on how I'm gonna let this dry out and see how it turns out. So I'm gonna let this dry out. Right now it's still wet, you can't see the grain. Hopefully when it dries out you can see the grain a little better. I'll sand it down, put on some clear coat, and go from there. I was really trying to show you the whole process of me putting the finish on. That's what it looked like. So there you go. Boom. Here's another project of mine. That one I'm not sharing in a video, but I will be making more and more wood turning videos. It's a lot of fun to do. So yeah, thanks for watching me not do this.